Hi everybody, this is a 30,000 mile end-of-life report for the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus that I've had on my car for coming up now on 4 years. I first want to tell you, before we get started with this report, that these are the absolute finest tires I've ever had on any car in 30 plus years of driving, probably more than that. With these tires, 90 miles an hour feels like 50 miles an hour, and you really have to watch your speed because you won't even know it. You'll feel like you may be going just 50-60 miles an hour, but you're going a lot faster. That's how good these tires are. I would immediately replace these tires on the car without even shopping if Michelin still made this tire in my tire size, but unfortunately they don't. They stopped making it in my tire size about 3 years ago. So I'm going to go back to the BF Goodrich comps, which I did another report on, you could see on YouTube, that were an excellent tire too. I like these a little better, but that's a fine tire too, because I cannot get these in my tire size or any alternate size. So let's go around the tire. I turn the wheel so you can kind of see the condition of it. You can see that the rubber is kind of dried out. And I probably could sneak out a few more thousand miles out of these tires if I wanted to. But summer's coming on. I plan to do some big highway driving, and I think I get some new tires on the car at this point. And if you could see between the treads, the dry, how the rubber's dry. Now these tires are 4 years old. They've been on the car for 4 years. Put them on in the summer of 2020, or right before the summer of 2020. And we're in coming up on the summer of 2024, so about 4 years. You can see it's down to the wear mark, so these are out of tread. The backs are a little bit better. I didn't do the final rotation. America's Tire said don't do it if you're going to be replacing the tires anyway. Leave the ones with more tread on the back on this front wheel drive car. And by the way, these are on a Honda Fit. There was nothing I was able to do with these tires to get them to slip. No matter how fast you go around a curve, these tires will not slip out. And in the rain, they were phenomenal. I've never driven them in the snow. There's no snow here in the Los Angeles area. I usually don't go into snow with my cars, so I can just comment on, there was a lot of rain. We had a lot of rain driving last couple of years, so did very well in the rain, even when they weren't new. Excellent compound, excellent tire. If you have an opportunity to buy these tires for your car, if these are affordable for you, I would not hesitate getting the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus, and I'm not getting paid for this. It's my opinion that these are some of the finest tires that you could buy. Just want to give you another close-up look of the condition of the tire at 30,000 miles. I'm going to go around to the back. Back tire will have a little more tread on it. Again, because I didn't do the final rotation. You can also still see that there's the dry cracking. Try to show you what the condition of the rear tires are. You can see it definitely has some more tread. Probably the rears can go maybe another 5,000 miles if I wanted to. And this on the passenger side of the car now, passenger rear tire. Again, if I go close up, you can see the condition of the tire. It's going to be the same as the other rear. I've had the tires regularly rotated throughout the life of the tire, 4 years. And I'll show you the tread from that rear tire. Again, still has some life in the rears. But certainly at this point I wasn't going to replace just 2 tires, replace them all. Again, I turned the wheel for the front. Wanted you to see this is the front passenger side. And again, with These directional tires, they just get rotated, they don't get rotated from side to side, just from front to back. Again, you could see some of the dryness between the treads. If you could see, it's starting to dry out. Oh, well, thanks for tuning in. Again, great tire. If you ever have a chance to get them, I wouldn't hesitate to get them. And again, have a great summer.